Make a great choice today with the 2020 Infiniti Qx50. The Infiniti Qx50 is the perfect blend of luxury and power. You will be impressed with the Qx50's agile sports sedan-like handling. It comes with a very responsive steering and strong brakes. The Qx50 offers extremely high levels of safety and luxury, all with a sleek new design. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, LED headlights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.